This is how to transfer an RRSP from ATB Financial over to Wealthsimple. Once you guys open up Wealthsimple, go to the bottom and select the icon with the arrows. Then where it says move, just scroll down a little bit to where it says accounts and then press transfer account to Wealthsimple. Then press get started. Once you're here under most popular, you may or you may not find ATB Financial. In my case, it's not here. So where it's to search for your institution, I'm going to type in ATB and then select ATB Financial. Because you want to do your RRSP, you would have that selected and then press next. Then you can type in your account number and any other information that is being asked in order to go ahead and proceed with the transfer. So that is how to transfer over an RRSP account from ATB Financial to Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.